Hi. So it's 2:30 and I'm bored. And I just wrote this and it kind of has a feeling like it's something that should be performed. So I'm going to perform it. And if you're wondering why the lighting looks the way that it does, it's because I'm looking very pop down right now. And I figured that if I just played around with like the brightness and the contrast and those other things, then maybe it is that you wouldn't be able to see that. But as you can clearly see, it's Christmas and I haven't been doing anything. And I haven't been doing anything with myself either. And it shows. But anyways, this is Everyday People. She said she wanted time to do the mundane things with you. The things somebody thinks about, nobody asks for. The things other people probably get bored of doing and go seeking excitement elsewhere. Those things like watching movies, or knowing for sure who she would kiss on New Year's, or walking into a house to your shoes by the door and being annoyed that you never wiped them. Those things. She says she wants to know what you look like outside in the daylight. She wants to stand in a crowded street and have you look her dead in the eye, without glancing from side to side to see who's walking up behind her or beside you, to be out in the sunshine together, walking beside each other for more than 15 yards. Things like that. She says she wants to squabble over movies, or walk to the kitchen for snacks, or have you yell down the hall to bring something for you when she's already halfway back, or lay on your stomach and listen to the symphony of your digestion. Chat. The rumbling of your stomach is the background music of her dreams. She said she liked the option of being bored with you. Enough time to grow tired and yearn for a night out with her friends just so she can miss you. The pleasure of the time to grow tired of you. She says she wants to do the mundane things with you. The things nobody else thinks about. Not even taken for granted, just taken as a matter of course. The time to not think about the time she spends with you. The time to stop counting. Those things.